Hello friends, welcome back to Bharat Coder. So in this video I am going to talk about the new upgrades that has been done by Frappe in Frappe version 16. So if you remember in version 15, if you have some privileged roles like system manager, the users having system manager role were able to access the system console. But in version 16 it has been restricted to administrator only. So let me show you. So as you can see, I have logged in as administrator. Okay, so now I will try to access the system console. So obviously it is accessible. Now what I will do, I am still in frappe version 15. I will show you. So this is version 15.98. So now I will log it and log out and try to like uh, try to log in with other user. I will show you with which is having the system manager role. So let me go to user list, and if you can see this roles, this is having system manager role. So now I will log out and try to log in with that user which is having system manager role. So you can see I've logged with the user having system manager role, and if I try to access now system console, it is accessible to me, right? So this was in version 15, frappe version 16. Now if I try to do with the version 16, this is frappe version 16. You can see, let me show you about, this is frappe version 16.13. Now I've logged it with administrator, as you can see, and now if I try to access the system console, I have the access, like it is accessible to the administrator. But now if I log out and before that, let me see the user. I will log in with this user. I will unselect and give it to system manager roles. Also I will reset it password since I'm not remembering what is the password, so it's better. Now I will log out with the administrator and try to log in with this user which I have given as the administrator role. Now when I log in it, and now if I try to access the system console, it is not accessible to me. As you can see, system console, it is not accessible. So in version 16, frappe version 16, system console is accessible only to the administrator, and it is not a bug. It is intentionally done by the frappe to enhance the security, because from system console we can alter the data, we can update the data, we can delete something from database. So for security reason they have restricted system console access to administrator only. So this is all about this video. If you like the content of this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.